Okay, so one of the ways, it says one way to convert from inches to centimeters is to multiply the number of inches by 2 and 54 hundredths. How many centimeters are in 3/4 inch? Well, let's look. We're going to multiply, use that, the number of inches by 2 and 54 hundredths. Well, how many inches do we have? We have 3/4 inches, and we're going to multiply that by 2 and 54 hundredths. And I can make that into a fraction, and one way I can solve is I can just multiply that numerator 3 times, I'm going to do it over here on the right, 3 and 54 hundredths times 3. 3 times 4 is 12, carry that 1. 3 times 5 is 15, and 1 more is 16, carry that 1. 3 times 2 is 6, and 1 more is 7. And I need to put that decimal 2 places in, 1, 2, because there's 2 numbers after the decimal there. So my decimal is going to go right here, 7 and 62 hundredths. And 4 times 1 is 4. Well, now I got to divide again. So all fractions mean divide, write the denominator outside. 4 is going to go outside. 7 and 62 hundredths is going to go inside. I already know that 4 is a whole number, so I'm going to go ahead and put that decimal right there in my answer so I don't forget. And now I'm going to divide. So how many groups of 4 can I get out of 7? I can get one group. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. I have 3 left over. I'm going to bring that 6 down. How many groups of 4 can I get out of 36? I can get 9 groups of 4 because I know 9 times 4 is 36. And I'm going to subtract. I get nothing, but I still have this 2. I'm going to bring the 2 down. I know that I can't make a group of 2 if I need, sorry, I can't make a group of 4 if I have 2 things, but I can add a 0 at the end and keep dividing. So now I have 20 things, and I want to make a group of 4. I know I can do that 5 times. Well, guess what? I forgot the 0 here because I couldn't make a group, but now I have 20 things, and I can say 4 groups of 20, I can do that 5 times. So my answer will be 1 and 905 thousandths centimeters. I can label it cm. The other way that I can do this, if I just think about it, I can just change 3/4 to a decimal, and I already know that's 75, like 75 cents out of a dollar, and then I can multiply by 2 and 54 hundredths, and I would get the very same answer if I multiplied that together.